we see a variety of wonderful objects and phenomena around us in the world. But the question is how and why? Why the color of sky is blue? Why the sunset is red? And why stars twinkle? And the answer is light. And in this chapter we are going to study all the reasons behind the wonderful phenomena and the science behind all those phenomena talked earlier. But before moving further deep into this topic, let's talk about some properties of light. Number 1, it doesn't require any medium to travel. Here medium word resembles for water, air, gas. For better example, let me tell you, this car travels on a road. So here road is a medium for the car. Ship travels in the water. So here water is a medium for the ship, but light is completely opposite from them. It doesn't require any medium to travel. As you can see here, the light is coming from the sun to earth and it is traveling in completely empty space. So it proves that light doesn't require any medium to travel. Number 2, the speed of light in vacuum is super fast. It is around 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meters per second. It means light can travel 30 crore meters in a single second. For better understanding of the speed of light, let me tell you that light takes around 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach from sun to earth. And for comparison, if we launch a rocket from earth to sun, it will take around 17 years to reach to sun. Number 3, propagation of light, or we can say the path of light. Light have a very good habit that it travels always in a straight line, or we used to say that it is a rectilinear propagation of light. Let's prove it with the help of some examples. You must have seen this kind of phenomenon in your home, that when light ray is coming from the window and you are able to see the sunlight, the sun rays particularly. So it proves that light always traveling in a straight line. Let's do an experiment to prove it. I can see this candle. Why? Because light is coming from it and it reaches to my eyes. But what will happen if I put these 3 slits in between? I still can see the candle. Why? Because light can travel from these holes to my eyes. But if I pull down the middle slit downwards, the light is blocked. Why? Because light always travels in a straight line. It can't curve, it can't bend. So it proves that, this experiment proves that it travels in a straight line. Let's have a small recap of today's learning. Number 1, light doesn't require any medium to travel. Number 2, the speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meters per second. Number 3, light always travels in a straight line, or we used to call it a rectilinear propagation of light. And in our next video we will study the phenomena associated with light, for example the reflection and refraction of light.